Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is the ultimate drone for first-time pilots and aerial imaging enthusiasts. Weighing just 249 g, it's ultra-lightweight and does not require FAA registration, making it incredibly convenient for recreational use. Its built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors ensure safer flights, giving beginners confidence in the air. Equipped with a high-quality camera and gimbal, the DJI Flip captures stunning 4K 60 video and crisp 12MP or 48MP stills. Photographers and videographers will appreciate support for DNG, RAW, photos and a D-Log-M video profile, offering creative flexibility for post-processing and color grading. Whether you want sharp, detailed images or smooth, cinematic video, the Flip delivers professional-level results from a compact drone. Control is flexible. Fly using the included dedicated remote, a smartphone app, or even on aircraft controls, giving you multiple ways to navigate and capture footage. The 1080p live video feed lets you frame shots precisely, making it easier than ever to create cinematic content from above. Perfect for beginners, the DJI Flip's lightweight design, integrated safety features, and easy controls make it ideal for learning to fly. Photo and video experts will enjoy its advanced camera capabilities, while recreational flyers will appreciate the hassle-free, FAA-exempt experience. Specifications: dimensions, 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 inches, weight, 8.8 ounces, rotors, for a video resolution, 4K 60 camera, 48MP media storage, internal/micro SDXC controls, remote/smartphone app live feed, 1080p. Capture the skies effortlessly with the DJI Flip, small, powerful, and designed for everyone. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a standout entry-level drone, perfect for beginners, recreational flyers, and aspiring content creators. Weighing just 249 g, it doesn't require FAA registration for casual use, making it incredibly accessible. Despite its compact size, the Mini 3 packs impressive features, including GPS stabilization, return to home, and Find My Drone, ensuring safer and more reliable flights. Its camera delivers stunning 4K 30 video with HDR capabilities in both landscape and vertical orientations, allowing creators to capture footage for YouTube, TikTok, or social media with ease. The 12MP camera supports JPG or RAW DNG photos, while the f1.7 optics perform admirably in low-light conditions, like dawn or dusk. With a 60-degree upward tilt, you can explore creative angles previously difficult to achieve with a small drone. The Mini 3 offers 38 minutes of flight time, giving ample opportunity for photography, videography, or just enjoying flight. While it lacks obstacle detection, its lightweight design and GPS support keep flights stable and manageable. For licensed pilots, the Remote ID feature makes the Mini 3 suitable for commercial use, though a longer 51-minute battery is required for extended operations. Specifications: dimensions, 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 inches, weight, 8.8 ounces, rotors, for a video resolution, 4K camera, 12MP media storage, micro SDXC controls, remote/smartphone app live feed, 1080p. Whether you're flying for fun, creating content, or pursuing professional drone work, the DJI Mini 3 is a versatile, lightweight, and powerful drone that delivers exceptional aerial experiences. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 is a versatile and lightweight drone that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get professional quality aerial footage. Weighing just 249 g, it avoids FAA registration requirements for recreational use while still delivering stunning 4K 30 video and sharp 12MP or 48MP photos. For photography enthusiasts, the Atom 2 even supports RAW DNG images, giving you full creative control in post-processing. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, the Atom 2 ensures smooth, stable video even during dynamic maneuvers. Its 32-minute flight time provides ample opportunity to capture breathtaking shots, whether flying for fun or for professional purposes. The drone comes with a dedicated remote control for precise handling, and it also supports app-based controls for convenience. Perfect for beginners, the Atom 2 offers high-quality video and stills at a very accessible price point. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, its lightweight design and responsive controls make it easy to handle in open spaces. For recreational flyers, it's FAA exempt thanks to its under 250 g weight, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists. Licensed pilots will also appreciate the built-in remote ID module, making the Atom 2 suitable for commercial drone work such as real estate photography, stock footage, or monetized YouTube content. Its combination of affordability, portability, and professional-grade camera capabilities sets it apart in the compact drone category. Specifications, dimensions, 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 inches, weight, 8.8 ounces, rotors, for a video resolution, 4K camera, 48MP media storage, microSD controls, dedicated remote/app live feed, 1080p. The Potensic Atom 2 is a lightweight, reliable, and powerful drone that delivers exceptional aerial performance for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a lightweight, compact drone designed for anyone who wants quick selfies, fun aerial footage, and easy-to-use flying capabilities. Weighing just 4.8 ounces, it's incredibly portable and doesn't require FAA registration, making it perfect for casual pilots and recreational flyers. Its built-in propeller guards allow safe hand launches and landings, while several automated flight paths help beginners capture smooth, stable shots with minimal effort. The Neo shoots 4K video and snaps 12MP photos, providing vibrant content for social media. While its video quality isn't as advanced as higher-end DJI drones, it's more than adequate for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube clips. The drone can be flown using a smartphone app, or manually controlled with a dedicated remote, sold separately, for more precise handling and extended range. Perfect for beginners, the DJI Neo's lightweight design, automated flight features, and safe handling make learning to fly easy and stress-free. Selfie enthusiasts will love the on-drone controls that allow quick aerial selfies without needing to connect a phone or remote. Recreational flyers will appreciate its portability, FAA-exempt weight, and hassle-free setup, making it ideal for casual flying sessions at parks, beaches, or urban environments. Specifications, dimensions, 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 inches, weight, 4.8 ounces, rotors, for a video resolution, 4K camera, 12MP media storage, internal controls, smartphone app live feed, 1080p. Affordable, fun, and simple to use, the DJI Neo is the perfect drone for quick selfies, casual flights, and creating shareable content wherever you go. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 redefines drone flight by bringing you first-person view, FPV, immersion, letting you pilot a small, agile aircraft as if you were in the cockpit. Designed for thrill-seekers and FPV enthusiasts, this drone is perfect for executing flips, barrel rolls, loops, and high-speed maneuvers through tight spaces that traditional drones can't navigate. Unlike standard camera drones, the Avata 2 prioritizes adrenaline-pumping experiences over wide scenic shots, giving pilots an unmatched sense of speed and control. Equipped with 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second video capture, the Avata 2 delivers crisp, cinematic footage that keeps up with every twist and turn. Its motion-sensitive controller simplifies FPV piloting, offering a beginner-friendly introduction to this challenging style of flight. You can brake, hover, and maneuver midair, making it easier to master aerial stunts safely. For advanced maneuvers, the optional DJI Remote Controller 3 unlocks full twin-stick control for professional-level FPV performance. The included DJI goggles are a standout feature, delivering ultra-low latency live feeds via dual micro OLED screens. They provide a crystal-clear, immersive view that is adjustable for interpupillary distance and diopter correction, ensuring comfort even for pilots with glasses or poor eyesight. Perfect for beginner and intermediate FPV pilots, the Avata 2 combines excitement, safety, and high-quality video in one sleek package. Whether you're exploring obstacle-filled environments, capturing thrilling stunts, or learning the ropes of FPV flight, the DJI Avata 2 is your gateway to a fully immersive aerial adventure. Specifications: flight style, FPV a video, 4K per 60 frames per second, 2.7K per 120 frames per second. Controller, motion controller or optional remote goggles, micro OLED, adjustable IPD and diopter. A flight experience: agile, immersive, beginner friendly.